The city of brotherly love still blanketed in the smoke from the Canadian wildfires.
It's pretty bad. As soon as I walk outside, I can feel my eyes getting irritated.
This is the first time I've worn a mask since we had to for the pandemic.
I shudder to think what we would do. Like, we're not going to go out today, especially with her asthma.
Today's air still considered unhealthy, posing a unique threat to vulnerable communities, including young children.
Very young infants, 3 months and under, we're seeing some of those children coming into the emergency department with trouble breathing.
Dr. James Reingold, the chief of emergency at St. Christopher's Children's Hospital in North Philadelphia, seeing the effects firsthand.
A mild amount of inflammation in an adult with a large airway wouldn't be very noticeable, maybe a mild cough. But for a tiny infant with the very smallest of airways, it can be extremely significant. And that is one thing we're seeing now.
Reingold says the children in the neighborhood his hospital serves already have some of the highest rates of asthma in the city due to their living conditions or proximity to highways and train tracks.
These type of environmental issues, the air quality that comes and goes over a week, it hopefully brings attention to the long-standing inequalities for health.
And as the smoke from those Canadian wildfires continues to move south, concerns are growing in other major cities. The EPA's air quality app, now more popular than Facebook, coming in as the #6 most downloaded free app in the App Store today, also beating TikTok and Instagram.
Okay, George Solis joins us now from Philadelphia. So, George, you live in Philly. Have you seen a change in conditions over the course of the last 24 hours? I know you also have an infant in your house. Talk to us about what that's been like.
Yeah, Tom, it's been tough. Yeah, the air quality is starting to improve, but it is still dangerous. And as you saw in the number of people that we spoke with here at the airport, many of them are heeding the warning from experts, and they are wearing their masks because they know that at this point, even though you can't see the smoke, it is still dangerous out there. I walked outside, my eyes started to water. I developed a little bit of a cough. So that signals to you that even though you may not be able to see these smoke particles, they are definitely out in the air. And a lot of people in Philadelphia also taking those precautions. Officials here also canceling a number of events, including pausing trash collection to just encourage people to stay inside of their homes that much longer.
Yeah,
Tom.
Talk to me about some more of those events, because it looks like even though the air seems to be sort of getting a little bit better, the skies are clearing up, it's still kind of dangerous out there. So there's still school closures, event cancellations.
That's absolutely right. Emily touched on this. Philadelphia schools going virtual tomorrow, and that joins other school districts. New York also going virtual tomorrow. Some events will still go on, including a Phillies game that was canceled yesterday. But make no mistake that officials are keeping a close watch on these conditions hour by hour to see if they have to make adjustments. We also are approaching the end of the academic school year, and a number of graduations have also been shifted from outdoor to indoor because of these air quality concerns. Tom?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.